FPA do we want to bring into the next 50 years? I believe the answer is clear. We want an FPA that is science-driven, an FPA that is digitally enabled, an FPA that is farmer-centered, an FPA that is fair to legitimate industry players, an FPA that is fearless in fake, substandard, misdeclared and illegally traded products, an FPA that does not merely react to problems, but anticipates them, and an FPA that is respected, not only because it regulates, but because it serves with integrity.
As the FPA celebrates this important milestone, we commend the dedication and hard work of the men and women of FPA who continue to serve the agriculture sector with professionalism and commitment.
When FPA was created in 1977, it was given the mandate that was difficult precisely because it has two faults. Difficult yan. To help ensure that our farmers have access to adequate and affordable fertilizer and pesticide, and at the same time, to protect the people and our environment from risk of those inputs.